Hello and welcome to the Joy of Yoga. I'm Joy Scola. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do what I call cheer pose while hanging in your hammock. This is a really great one to help stretch your hamstrings and your hips. So we'll go ahead and take the fabric apart, give it a little hop to sit in, keeping the fabric just below your bottom. We'll grab down by the hips, rock back, making sure that the handles are out of the way. I'm first going to take my right leg and wrap it around the right strap. Then I'm going to reach up tall, kick this leg straight and through so the fabric's going to have to adjust a little bit. Then I'm going to rock back again, this time taking the opposite knee to the inside of the fabric and hooking it around the outside. So now when I go to sit up, the leg that is wrapped, my arm will sit behind, and then this upper leg, I will put my left arm in front. So now I'm really balanced here. And if this feels good for you, if you have more flexibility, you can grab that foot and extend it open and out. Cheer pose. I don't know if there's an official name for that. But then to get out, we're just gonna rock back, unhook first the left leg, then unhook the right, and slowly sit up. Thank you so much for following along. I hope these poses are just as fun for you to practice as they are for me. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. Happy hanging.